What makes the world go round? What makes a car zoom, a bird fly, or your heartbeat? It's not magic, though it feels like it. There's a special something behind all of it, a kind of invisible force, a secret power that moves everything. This power is what makes our world exciting. It's what makes life, well, live. This mysterious something is all around us. It's in the brightest sunshine that warms your face. It's in the loudest thunder that rumbles in a storm. It's even in the quietest whisper you share with a friend. You can't always see it, you can't always touch it, but you can definitely see what it does. It's the oomph that gets things done. From a tiny seed growing into a tall tree, to giant stars exploding in distant galaxies. Think about a simple light switch, you flick it. Suddenly darkness disappears, light fills the room. What happened there? Something flowed through the wires. This something is what we are talking about. It's the hero of our story today. It's energy. Okay, so we know energy is important, but what exactly it's not a thing you can hold in your hand, not like a shiny rock or a fluffy cat. You can't put energy in your pocket, or weigh it on a scale. It's more like an idea, a description of a capability. It's the universe's way of saying go. It's the ultimate get up and do something force.
Scientists have a neat way to describe energy. They say energy is the ability to do work, or the ability to cause change. Think about that for a moment. Work here doesn't just mean your homework, or going to a job. In science, work means making something move. Pushing, pulling, lifting, that's all work. And change? That's what energy does best. It changes things from one state to another.
Imagine a windmill on a breezy day. The wind blows. The wind has energy. This energy makes the windmill's blades turn. That's work. The blades are moving. The wind's energy caused a change. Let's take a walk through your day. You'll see energy is your constant companion. You wake up in the morning, sunlight streams through your window. That beautiful warm sunlight is energy. It traveled 93 million miles from the sun just to greet you. This light energy helps you see. It also warms the earth. What a powerful start to your day.
Your alarm clock buzzes loudly. Annoying maybe, but it uses energy. Electricity, a very useful form of energy, powers it. This electricity flows through wires to your clock. It makes the numbers glow. It makes the buzzer sound. Then you go to the kitchen. You toast some bread for breakfast. The toaster uses electrical energy. It turns that energy into heat to make your toast crispy and delicious.
Now it's time to eat that breakfast. The food you eat, fruits, cereal, milk, contains energy. This is called chemical energy. Your body is amazing. It breaks down the food. It releases that chemical energy. You use this energy to do everything, to walk to school or work.
Section 4. The many faces of energy. A cosmic costume party. Energy is a bit like a master of disguise. It doesn't always look the same. It can show up in many different forms. Think of it like a cosmic costume party. Energy changes its outfit depending on the situation. Scientists have names for these different costumes. These are the various forms of energy. Let's meet a few of the main stars. They are all important players in the universe. Understanding them helps us see the big picture. First up, there's kinetic energy. This is the energy of motion. Anything that is moving has kinetic energy. A baseball flying through the air, a cheetah sprinting across the savannah, water flowing in a river, even tiny air particles zooming around. The faster something moves, the more kinetic energy it has. The heavier it is, the more kinetic energy it has too. It's the energy of doing and going. Then there's potential energy. This is stored energy. It's energy that is waiting to be used. Imagine holding a ball high up in the air. That ball has potential energy. Because of its position, gravity can make it fall. If you let go, that potential energy changes. Section 5. Energy's secret stash. Amazing facts that will wow you. Energy is full of surprises. There are so many cool things to learn about it. Here's a really big one. A fundamental rule of the universe. Energy cannot be created from nothing, and it cannot be destroyed into nothing. This is called the law of conservation of energy. It means the total amount of energy in the universe, it always stays the same. It just moves around and changes form, like a cosmic bank account where the total balance never changes. Here's a mind-blowing fact about our sun. The sun is like a giant nuclear fusion reactor. It sends out an enormous amount of energy. Every single hour, the sun sends more energy to Earth than all the people on Earth use in an entire year. Think about that. All our cars, factories, lights. The sun beats that in just 60 minutes. Most of this energy arrives as light and heat. It's what makes life on our planet possible. We are truly solar-powered beings in a way. Let's talk about tiny, energetic creatures. A hummingbird is a marvel of energy use. Its wings beat incredibly fast, up to 80 times per second. To do this, it needs a huge amount of energy. Relative to its small size, of course, it has a super-fast metabolism. It must eat almost constantly. Section 6. Curious questions, cosmic answers, your energy puzzle's solved. You might be bubbling with questions about energy. That's fantastic. Curiosity is how we learn. So let's tackle a few common ones. A big question is, where does energy come from? Well, for Earth, most of our energy originates from the sun. The sun's light and heat are primary sources. Plants capture sunlight through photosynthesis. This stored energy then travels up the food chain. Fossil fuels like coal and oil, they are basically stored sunshine from millions of years ago, captured by ancient plants and organisms. Another good question, can we run out of energy? That's a bit tricky. The universe has a fixed amount, but the energy sources we can be limited. Fossil fuels, for example, are non-renewable. Once we use them up, they're gone for a very long time. This is why scientists are exploring renewable sources, like solar power, from the sun of course, and wind power, and hydropower for moving water. The sun itself won't run out for billions of years. So, the challenge is how we harness its energy effectively. Here's one. Is sound a form of energy? Absolutely, yes, sound is fascinating. When something makes a noise, it vibrates. These vibrations travel through the air, or water, or solids. They travel as waves called sound waves. Section 7. The never-ending story of energy powering on and on. So as we've journeyed together, we've seen it. Energy is the quiet force, the invisible hand. It's the universe's main engine. It drives everything that happens, from the smallest particle dancing with excitement, to the grand cosmic ballet of galaxies swirling. It's the ultimate power source. The reason anything moves, changes, or exists. It's truly fundamental to everything we know, and everything we don't yet know. Energy is woven into the very fabric of our lives. It's in the warm sunshine that kisses your skin. It's in the delicious food that fuels your adventures. It's in the air you breathe that sustains your life. It's even in the dreams you conjure in your sleep. Energy connects all things. You, me, the stars, the trees. We are all part of this vast energetic system, a beautiful interconnected web of power and transformation. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring thought. Understanding energy is more than just science. It helps us understand our world in a deeper way. It helps us appreciate the delicate balance of nature.